Yeah, talk to it. Talk to it. Just talk to it. You'd rather bounce, I think, than anything. Wouldn't you?
Ruined the card.
What?
Disney's The Little Mermaid.
Winner
of 2 Academy Awards.
Putting an H in there.
Age.
Oh.
Age, as in your hearing.
We all know how old you are.
So we'll remember what you look like.
We don't have to have it.
Red dot! Robot! Hide me! Red dot!
Pretty sure he wants you to get up out of his chair.
Red dot! Red dot! Robot!
This from you, Jim? This from you?
Since I'm the oldest one around here.
Hey, that came off the bargain rack.
This?
That one.
I like
I got $3 invested in that one.
Hey, you know I'm all about bargains.
The world's greatest minds are on the race to create the most astonishing inventions ever imagined.
I'm gonna make sure I have a lot of shirts to wear. I love the purple.
I know it.
And some new jeans.
Those are Spants.
What size are those?
Those are Spants.
Capris.
Call them whatever you want to. Spants.
Spants. What's that mean?
Shorts and pants put together. Spants.
What size are those
again? Coming to theaters this
16 petite. I don't care if anybody knows.
I need a chair. Hello, robots. My name is Robot, and I like to say robot. 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 Robot.
That the one with no name tag is mine. No name tags?
Yeah, that's enough. That's enough.
Yeah, those are mine.
You can have them.
No, those were really mine, though.
They came off.
I know, but those were mine, is what I'm saying.
Where are they from?
Achievements. From being a winner in life, I suppose.
Red dot!